You're watching a two-part India Today special investigation, the COVID quacks. One is done by our special investigation team, our boots on the ground. The second part is done by our open source investigation team that tracks what's happening online. I'll start with the report filed by our reporters who went out and found that with coronavirus infections rising and there being no definite cure in sight, quacks are promising multiple COVID cures, from dubious potions to nasal drops and even limits for these imposters. I want to show you the first part of the special investigation, Operation COVID Quacks.
As modern medicine struggles to deal with COVID-19, an alternative medicine promotes therapies to boost human immunity. Snake oil salesmen are out peddling mystery potions and pills as remedy for the pandemic. At Kardampuri, northeast Delhi, Hakeem Kamil offered nasal drops to our investigative reporters when they met him, posing as attendants of a teen showing COVID symptoms.
कोविड एरिया जो आप कह रहे थे कोरोना वायरस की दवा
जी इंशाल्लाह वो काम करेगी। जो मैं आपको नाक में डालने की दवाई दूंगा वो कोरोना में काम करेगी। उससे नाक में डालने की दवाई है। हाँ।
उससे कोरोना होगा नहीं या
सेफ रहेगी?
नहीं होगी,
सेफ्टी रहेगी। कोरोना वायरस से सेफ्टी रहेगी।
तो उससे होगा नहीं या अगर किसी को हो गया तो वो ठीक हो जाएगा?
अगर हो गया तो भी ठीक हो जाएगा और जिसको हो गया वो भी ठीक हो जाएगा और जिसको नहीं हुआ इंशाल्लाह प्रोटेक्ट रहेगा। थोड़ा जब आप नाक में डालेंगे तो हल्की हल्की मिर्ची सी लगेगी, थोड़ा ठंडा लगेगा।
और ये कैसे लेना सर?
नाक में डालना दो बार,
दिन में 2 बार,
सुबह को और रात को सुबह डालकर जो है कम से कम 5 मिनट लेते रहिएगा ऐसे।
A nasal drop made from mystery ingredients touted as a prevention and cure for corona. Hakeem Kamil confessed that he administered these therapy to patients showing COVID symptoms at their homes.
फिर उसके बाद मास्क वगैरह लगाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं?
जैसे मैं बैठा आपसे मैं ना करता हूँ, मुझसे रोड पे खुशबू लगाना पड़ता है क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट का हुक्म है इसलिए मैं लगाता हूँ। जिनको कोरोना नहीं है उनको सिम्टम ऐसे लगते हैं तो मुझसे रुजू कर लेते तो मुझे घर जाकर दवाई दिया।
अच्छा, कोरोना की मतलब?
कोरोना नहीं है उनको, लेकिन उनको सिम्टम वही है तो उनको डर लगता है। तो मैं अब कुछ लोग हॉस्पिटल नहीं जाना चाहते कि मैं हॉस्पिटल जाऊँगा नहीं, माँ बात है अंदर पता चला वो लग लेकर डाल देते हैं। कोई देखने में नहीं, दूर से बात करते हैं और गोली लिख दिए, बस कोई बात करने वाला नहीं ठीक से। हाँ, इस तरह का मैटर चल रहा है।
वैसे लोगों को आप दवा दे रहे हैं?
मैं घर जाकर दे रहा हूँ।
बहुत बढ़िया।
Surrounded by COVID hotspots at Mehroli's Shamsi Talab neighborhood, this young man Istikar not only offered treatment but also testing of COVID-19 at his own clinic.
उसको अब अस्पताल ले जाना नहीं चाह रहे हैं, अगर ले गए तो फिर कहीं हैं
पहले टेस्ट करेंगे फिर कोरोना का।
हाँ,
चलो मैं दवाई देता हूँ ना एक बार।
तो आप देख लोगे ना, उसको मुझे लग रहा है कि उसको कोविड-19 हो सकता है, लेकिन अब उसको ले जाना नहीं चाह रहे हो। तो कोई टेस्ट वगैरह आप करोगे क्या उसका अगर मैं लाऊं?
टेस्ट तो सब कर देंगे, वैसे पहले खिला के देखो फिर देखते हैं ना। टेस्ट तो पूरी बॉडी का करवा देंगे।
नहीं तो आप यहीं कर लोगे?
हाँ यही हो जाए सब कुछ।
कोविड-19 का टेस्ट आप यहीं कर लोगे हैं?
टोटल टेस्ट हो जाएगा।
अच्छा,
TLC, VLC, HIV, CBC सब हो जाएगा। ज़्यादा पैसे तो नहीं।
Not just dubious therapies, some so-called faith healers are also offering occult solutions to COVID. At Delhi's IP extension, the head of the Siddh Bharti Baba Ka Darbar, Mahant Bhagyashri Bharti, pushed a charm called Rog Mukti Nashak Yantra as a surefire solution to COVID.
क्या कह रहे हैं?
1 घंटे बाद सोल्यूशन दे दूँगा।
तो यंत्र मिलेगा, क्या मिलेगा?
और तरीका बता। रोग मुक्ति नाशक है।
क्या कह रहे हैं?
रोग मुक्ति नाशक।
हाँ,
मैं देखता हूँ
ये मेरा 92 है ना, यही मेरा व्हाट्सअप नंबर है, व्हाट्सअप कर दीजिए आप लोग, अपनी अपनी फोटो डाल दीजिए।
अच्छा, फिर
और डेट ऑफ बर्थ और टाइम ऑफ बर्थ प्लेस।
अच्छा,
मैं सोल्यूशन दे देता हूँ।
देखिए उपाय हो जाएगा कोरोना वायरस
100%
जी,
मैं बता दूंगा। अब व्हाट्सअप तो करिए पहले,
लेकिन मतलब गारंटी है कोरोना वायरस होगा तो नहीं फिर? जी,
100%
नहीं होगा।
Beware of fine distinction between alternative medicine and quackery. Jamshed Khan and Nitin Jain for India Today's special investigation team.
The problem I have is the kind of people who seem to be falling for all these miracle cures aren't your uneducated people who don't have exposure. These are people who are perfectly literate, are following on television, on social media, in the newspapers what's happening, and yet seem to believe that there can be some kind of a miracle cure. I'm joined on this broadcast by one of India's best known doctors, Dr. Ashok Seth. Dr. Seth, welcome. But before I go across, Dr. Seth, I also want to show you part 2 of this investigation. This time we went online and we saw how it's not just the quacks. The online space is flooded with sites offering everything from coronavirus vaccines to plasma samples of survivors. None of them are verified. None of them have been scientifically tested. India Today's open source investigation team reveals the dark web of coronavirus claims.
As the chaos grows, so do the scams exploiting fear around COVID-19. Fake COVID detector and fake COVID testing kit, fake COVID vaccine. Actors on the dark web, the vast underground online market, are out preying on panic-stricken people looking for safeguards against COVID-19 across encrypted platforms. The fake products on offer range from COVID detectors, test kits, vaccines, to even plasma samples from survivors to boost immunity.
This is the only way we can crawl through that part of the internet which we cannot search for normally. This is called the dark web. Selling everything from cocaine to coronavirus cures, medical cures.
According to the New York-based cyber intelligence firm Insights, snoops have been rapidly registering vast number of malicious domains to sell bogus corona products.
This is the area where most of the criminals are present, and a lot of fake transactions also take place here. Today, if you go on dark web and you search multiple marketplaces available, you will see that each of those marketplaces is selling at least 10 miracle cures for corona, none of which works.
These dark web scams are trending high in countries like the USA.
These products are in no way real, and buyers would be scammed out of their money. Experts recommend using standard security tools which will identify such threats and alert the users.
Cyber experts believe some state-sponsored networks are also involved in these online frauds, such as in countries like Pakistan, China, Russia, and North Korea. A COVID-linked malware like this has been traced to Pakistan, for instance. The size of coronavirus-related cyber scams might only grow in the time to come. Common sense and safety tools offer the best precaution. With Ankit Kumar, Bureau Report, India Today.
When our reporters first pitched this story, I didn't take it very seriously because why would anyone believe that there is a miracle cure when there very clearly isn't? But then, as we started researching, we found that there were all manner of people who were actually looking for some kind of experimental or miracle cure. Dr. Ashok Seth is the chairperson of Fortis Escorts Heart Institute. Dr. Seth, what is it that you believe leads perfectly educated, well-read, well-traveled people to start believing that there is some cure they can find on the dark web, which the rest of the world doesn't know about.
So Rahul, firstly, let me commend you and your channel for bringing up this very important dark side of COVID, which had been hitherto ignored and people need to be warned about, because you kindly put this as quackery. These are goons, actually. These are thugs. These are crooks. You see, the important point is, you are really asked what is it that makes people go for it? We must understand that because coronavirus does not have a cure, people are insecure. They live in fear. They're looking for various options. But the worst part is that when somebody profiteers out of those fears, out of those insecurities, out of those apprehensions, then it is bad. But what is even worse is that many of those cures that they are offering could actually be harmful, could actually take a life away. And that is what the unscrupulous nature of all this is all about. So I really, through your channel, want to warn people that despite your insecurities, you cannot actually go for something like this, which could be harmful to you. And remember, there's somebody out there who will always fool you and make money. There is no cure, but there's a lot of science and research being done. The best way to prevent is what we've been telling you all the time. It is not these agents that they're selling you. Neither are they treatment for your cure, but it is clearly in your own hands. Self-distancing, cleaning your hands regularly, wearing a face mask, following all the hygienic conditions. And that, perhaps, is the cheapest and yet the best way to treat your own self and prevent this disease
Dr.
process.
Seth, one part is a possible cure, which you are emphatically saying doesn't exist. You've gone to the extent of calling these agents goons and thugs, not just quacks. Yeah. The other part is boosting immunity, whether it is through Ayurveda, through homeopathy, through some kind of sharbat or drink or what have you. There are a lot of people, many whom I know, who are convinced that they're on to some very super successful formula which is helping them build their immunity. What would you tell such people, sir?
So I would say differentiate these goons and thugs from immunity building through your own self, which is through yoga, through positive thinking, through exercise, through eating healthy and sleeping well, or through other agents which exist in allopathic and Ayush. You remember our Prime Minister even saying this on the television, that there are, and remember, these are time-tested. So differentiate these goons and thugs from advices coming out of Ayush, which is not curative, which is not therapeutic, but which says there are herbs, which are being tested out, by the way. There's trials are going on for herbs, which boost your immunity. And that comes from those people who haven't actually not been eating healthy, have some immune responses, and they may help you to boost your immunity. And perhaps they may help you to decrease the chances of catching the virus, but that's also not proven. But at least we know they are not harmful. They've been around for a long duration of time. They have science and the tradition behind them. And therefore, they're certainly the Ayush drugs and concoctions are not harmful. They may help you in some immunity boosting. Now, whether immunity boosting is the biggest thing to prevent this virus, no. It only adds on one more factor for you to prevent the virus affecting you. But there are so many other factors that you need to be within. And of course, we've already said this. 3 biggest factors are in your own hands, which is washing, which is face mask, and which is distancing. And if you do that, you perhaps just need a few additional things to keep you well.
Dr. Ashok Seth, for joining me with your very sharp insights. Thank you very much. If you want to build immunity, give it a shot, says the good doctor. If you think that there is a miracle cure, you're living in delusion. Wake up and smell the reality. Thank you very much, sir.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.